Carson, and we are talking to you directly from the De Oude Kraal Wildskosfees. We are so excited to be here. With me is my amazing friend Mario Lategan.
Hallo Christel, ja ek is Mario Lategan. Ons is hier by die Wildskosfees 2023 en hy is amazing.
Ja.
Ongelooflike plaaslike kunstenaars, Bloemnies ondersteun plaaslike kunstenaars hierdie jaar. Net die beste in plaaslike kunstenaars, die beste kos.
Yeah, we're about on 53 food stalls. We have amazing wine farms from all over South Africa, the best. I think there's around 1,000 people today. And as you can see in here, it is one heck of a party. You do not want to miss this. If you're not here in 2023, make sure you come to 2024.
Christel, 1,000 people. It's more than 2,000 people.
What?
Yes, definitely more than 2,000 people.
Love it.
Hulle is daar by die gourmet gedeelte in die saal waar alles gepair is. Vleise, hierdie mense het so hard gewerk. Marian Gerard, Helen Joan, almal hierso, dit is amazing wat hierdie mense doen vir die Vrystaat. Al die mense wat hier is, almal het 'n wonderlike gees.
Yeah, and that's not the only thing. So we have this total farm experience happening here. It's not just the wine and the food, but it's also there's horse riding, there's shooting, golf playing for the more serious golfers. The party's going to go on way into the night. So many local artists, and that's the thing we're very proud of. This is local. This is Free State. This is what all the Free State is about. You have to be here.
Well, interestingly enough, I started coming to the Wildskosfees a good 10 years ago. I started working as a student, and then I started coming here as a working individual. So yeah, it's always been good times and good vibes. Ek sal regtig enigiemand en almal aanbeveel om weer hier na toe 'n draai te maak. En ja, big ups vir Bloemfontein en big ups vir Wildskosfees. Dankie, dankie.
Ronelle Rui van die Wildskosfees in Bloemfontein by De Oude Kraal. Amazing ervaring vandag. Soveel gees, die entertainment is amazing, die kos is fantasties, die wildspastei, jy wil dit nie mis nie, die koedeburgers, die chocolate brownies. En my gunsteling maaltyd vir die dag is die soet patats en die beefsteak. Ek weet dis nie wildskos nie, maar ouens, wat maak 'n mens? Dit was lekker. En die mense maak dit lekker.
Wel dan aan De Oude Kraal dat hulle weer die A-klas prima disse opgedis het. Dis regtig iets om oor huis te beskryf. Die Meersfontein wyne het weer hierdie jaar uitgehaal en gebuis. Dit was A-klas en die eland stalletjie wat langs hulle was met hulle espetadas en hulle rooi vleis was regtig lekker. Ons sien julle in 2024 vir nog topklas vermaak en eet en drink goed. Lekker Bloemfontein.
You know what? I always experience, I enjoy a big variety of different wines, and they always have lekker dessert. And those black pots there outside, you know, it's like they remind me of Potjiekos, ne? Yeah. So we are home in Bloemfontein. It's nice. It happens once a year. Woo!
Vandag se experience by die Wildskosfees is absolutely amazing. Die weer is so lekker, hier is so baie mense. Die kos is heerlik, die wynproe is daar's so groot verskeidenheid van wynproe. Die kos is lekker, daar is soveel moeite ingesit met al die disse. Mens kan dit proe in elke stukkie van die kos. My gunsteling dis was definitief die curry afval. Ek geniet dit vandag so lekker saam met vriende, familie. Ons het so lekker tyd.
Apart from the food that soothes the soul and the body, and the wine's amazing, but what makes it special is the people.
Christel, jy het nou my lyn gesteel. Die mense is altyd die beste. Kyk dit rondom jou. Almal glimlag. Die mense van die Vrystaat is net in 'n ander klas. Dit is net wonderlik. Hier's 'n gees, die kos, die mense wat verbyloop, alles is lekker. Wonderlik.
Maar wat hou ons die meeste van?
Vleis. Wildsvleis.